Hi, I'm Leslie Wallace. Have you ever noticed that most systems seem confusing until you work inside them? Credit, debt collection, government contracts, public purchasing, cash flow, business operations. Most people only see the surface. They see the bill, they see the contract, the rejection, the collection call, the denied application. But underneath all of those things is a system, rules, timing, incentives, paperwork. And when you don't know those parts exist, it's easy to believe the problem is you. It isn't. Often it's the part nobody showed you. That's what the Authority series is about. Pulling back the curtain on the systems, behind the systems, not with jargon, not with gatekeeping, just plain language and practical understanding. Because clarity changes everything, and clarity is control.